this version of their rotation in the past. Tots Carlos will be playing as an outside hitter. Michelle Gumaba will play opposite.
And the Cool Smashers kick it off.
In the middle of the standings in Pool B, and I'm sure they're not used to this feeling. Sanay sila na nasa top, top 2 at the very least. But again, teams
looking for their second straight win. Meantime, Cool Smashers, their loss snapped a 2-game winning streak. Schwan, what a dig for Gaston. Vicar to Batista. Good pass there. A little 1-2 magic doesn't work for the Cool Smashers. Chance ball here. Carlos Negrito running attack. And the save by Vicar is no good.
Uni Batista actually got a touch on that slide attack from Pangs Panaga. She wasn't able to redirect time and space Uni Batista to think of her next move.
And the coverage going away from the second touch.
They're just exchanging points here in the first half of the first set.
Short serve, much better pass. Galang. Schwan picks it up. Negrito out to Carlos. Blocked, but it stays in. Coverage is there for the Cool Smashers, and everything they're hitting just finds the floor.
Defense nowhere to be found. They have to claim their balls.
Over eagerness to keep it alive. Good pass. Gumabaw. Maraño now a chance to tie. Vicar. Oh, rejection! Pangs Panaga, what a way to finish it off, stopping the run of the Cherry EV Crossovers with a monster block. This point, 1-point game again. Negrito to Gumabaw. Bounces it off the block. Nierva goes to Mylene Pat. She has the hot hand. This time turned away. Pangs Panaga picking up where she left off with her second straight. Great serving by Vicar. And hit. There's a touch on the Panaga point. 3 points today. Yep, it is her lowest scoring match so far. Panaga, one-handed dig for Nierva as we kick things off here in set number 4. Batista rejected by Pangs Panaga.
To win once again. What we don't see behind the scenes is that the Cool Smashers are working on their inconsistencies in training. They're blocking, defense, passing, and transition.
Gaston is a point shy from another double-digit performance. Panaga tries again. This time finds the range.
Same play, same angle, better execution from Pangs Panaga.
You didn't get it the first time, we'll make you do it again. Big exhale before the serve for Negrito. Schwan looking for 26. Robles. Popped up by Negrito. Schwan again. Batista with a dig. Robles. Off speed, easy dig for Negrito. Batista with the easy over. Gumabaw meantime. Battle at the net. Panaga puts it away. The entire rally, Cherry was on the defensive. Great serve. Schwan, drop shot. Galang was right there expecting it. Ooh. A miscommunication there. Ended up in a free ball. And Panaga now with her best game of the conference.
And ganun talaga pag combination play sa gitna. Hindi pwedeng hindi mapagalaw yung ibang blockers.
Meantime, Panaga has come alive here in set number 4. 14 points already. 5 to the attack faults. Let's see if that allows Cherry EV Crossovers to get back in this game. The 3 points they're getting. Oh, but Panaga, after the net touch. Robles. Oh. I mean, how good is the blocking of the Cool Smashers today?